Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step-by-step process how we can easily use CPALead. The first thing what you want to do is when you're going to enter CPALead, go to top right next to the login and click sign up. Now right here you're going to see the join the CPALead generation network, and you can sign up with Facebook, Gmail or normal. So I'll go here, I'll add my email address. Then I'm going to add my password here, pretty fast and straightforward, security question. And this is just like a tutorial. I'm not a robot, submit information. Okay, you're just like gonna accept it here, submit. Now you go to dashboard. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy. And here you go. So let me just explain you everything that you're going to see. On the left side, the first thing you're going to see is dashboard. You can simply close the menu by clicking on the hamburger here. So then first dashboard. In dashboard, you will be able to see today, yesterday, month, date, all time, all the important analytics. So then you're gonna have a CPALead network feed. Here, you're gonna see all the leads that you can like create content for within a year of Netflix, all devices, and it's always updating. Then top offers here. You can also have it by payout. And you see that some of them are just like specific countries. And then you're going to see for Android or for all devices right here. Then ready to promote landing pages. So I can simply click here, promote page. Get link. Open. Free PayPal. And this is how we do it, right? You can also promote landing pages. Sorry, we will get to it. We will get to the landing pages and how we can work with it, okay? So you'll be able to see free Robux. You can simply promote page here. So let's say that I'll be creating Robux here. And then platform, and you can use this, right? So if someone wants to like have free Robux, you could like recommend this and you will be earning money from it. So that's something you can do, right? Then this is dashboard. And then the next thing we're going to see are offers. In offers, you can simply filter your offers. You can go between countries here. You can go from South Africa, United Kingdom, Switzerland, Mexico, Japan. Offer type, you can go email, submit service, devices, and advertisers. So let's say that I will be having a payout and I have the Norton Secure VPN or egg quiz. I can simply go also, let's say that I will be make mobile CPA. Many of them are for mobile. Look at this crypto.com. So I would click on a crypto.com right here. And look at this. I got the link here, payout, mobile Android. You see it right here. Only United States. And I would preview link. This is how it would look like. And voila. So then if someone like download it, straight away you can earn money. So that's how we can do it. Now, when I would go to statistics, this is all the important analytics that you would see here. How you can make money, what kind of things you can do, right? By hour, you can use it. And really important analytics. Then the next thing are lockers. So then we're going to have like the file link locker here. You can simply create. And you can use a landing page, use the template, and then sell something with it, right? you can create a landing page. And if you want me to create a landing page, let me down below in the comments and I can create a tutorial, because it's like pretty straightforward. You choose like locker here and you just edit it here as much as you want. Then you can browse pre-made pages, free Robux, win iPhone 11, gift cards, Amazon free gift card, manage. These are the landing pages that I have here. Prepare, you will see always your landing pages here. Deploy your app. So you can like add it. Then we have the offer wall here. You can create offer wall. Again, you select the theme here, like this one here. And then you're gonna see the customized offer wall name. You can enter the name for the offer wall. So points ratio, and now like create offer wall, and you can edit it. So then you're gonna see the post back here. You can use that if you want to or no. This is like deeper inside of the back feed of the CPALead. But again, in offers, these are the most important things. Offer will be only be shown in lockers pages and offer walls. So let's have crypto.com here. And you see right here, optionally use your own tracking domain here. Like Bill Shark here, look at this. I have the affiliate track to learn. I would copy it. Let's say that I'm going to incognito mode. And see how it looks like. So as you can see, like the CPM, the payout is really good. Voter card, mobile banking. So that's something you can do. And I would like copy it. Look at this. Paste it. And look at this, you can see right here, when I have the country US only, Android converts, and you can see right here the payout is really huge here. So that's something you can do. Or like Bill Shark. So you can promote multiple of these that you can use. Lockers. And you can create lockers right here for the template. So yeah, I would like to use template. This is my template. Color scheme, site name, brand. Locked file URL. So I would go to lockers, offers, like this one here. And you can use. That's something you can do. And yeah, you're gonna see plenty of these. But again, offer will only be shown in lockers, pages, banners, and offer walls. So that's something where you can actually find it. And yeah, thank you very much guys for watching. If you're gonna have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some guidance. But this is how you can use the CPALead. Thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.